Experiencing a frozen screen or no sound in your Renault Kadjar's infotainment system? These are common issues, particularly in 2015-2021 models. Start with a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 seconds. If that fails, try a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 15 minutes. Note, you will need to repair devices after. Frozen screens often result from software crashes or overheating, so ensure cooling vents are clear. No sound can indicate audio driver failures or Bluetooth problems. Check your Bluetooth connections and try repairing your phone. For models older than 2018, occasional glitches are expected due to hardware limitations. Ignoring these issues could lead to needing a professional repair that could cost $200 to $500. Keeping your Renault Kadjar's infotainment system updated is crucial. Check for over-the-air OTA updates or use a USB drive to install the latest firmware from Renault's official website. The June 2025 update, version 2.8.1, addresses many bugs like screen freezing and audio loss. If problems persist, run diagnostics using Renault's app or an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes like U1000. Remember, improper resets can void your warranty. If DIY solutions don't work, seek professional servicing to avoid exacerbating electrical faults. Regular updates reduce support tickets by 25% and improve system reliability. It's also important to always check community support channels, such as the Renault World Forums. The community can often find solutions faster than Renault.